नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome every one of you sitting with us in London at this moment. Thank you for choosing to be here when you have many choices. I really appreciate and sincerely welcome all of you with my love and respects. I have only this one message for humanity. Humanity was waiting for the next superconscious breakthrough for quite a long time. We had a long journey, millions and millions of years on this planet Earth, evolved from amoeba, one cell life, physically, psychologically, mentally, consciously. Now it is time we reach the next level, super consciousness. Human beings need to explore, experience, express all the possibilities and powers given to them as fundamental right. Understand? The possibilities and powers are fundamental right for us. Almost all the religions were predicting there will be superconscious breakthrough. Hinduism was working for it. See, each civilization, each country has something to contribute to the humanity. The Indian civilization, India's contribution, Hindu's contribution is giving superconscious breakthrough to the humanity. Consistently, during every age, Indian civilization and Hindus were giving superconscious breakthrough to the humanity. consistently India produced the superconscious breakthrough, and the beings who give the superconscious breakthrough. Now, the next superconscious breakthrough has already happened for last 200 years. Many of my predecessors, a great incarnations, Sri Ramakrishna, Ramana Maharishi, Aurobindo, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, Srila Prabhupada, all of them were working very strongly to give this superconscious breakthrough to humanity. Now, by the grace of Sadashiva, it is reality. It is not at all fantasy, imagination. It is not at all theory, utopia. It is now reality. It's available to all of us. It's a reality. And the beings I am presenting in front of you, the powers they are manifesting, the possibilities they are demonstrating, it is all real, scientifically verifiable. It can stand the scrutiny of the science and logic. It is all real. It is not some magic or superstition, fraudulence. It is all real. It's a science. It's real. It is not that only for them it is possible. It is possible for all of you. The good news I have, these possibilities and powers are real. The great news I have, it is possible for all of you. And the greatest news I have, today I will initiate you into the first two powers. You can taste it. You can experience it. It's a reality. It's not theory. It's not some myth. It's not story. It's reality. All these great powers, all these great possibilities are recorded in our Vedas and Agamas, the Hindu source books, the source books of Hinduism, the revealed scriptures of Hinduism carries all the great secrets of Vedas and Agamas. Understand? Fundamentally, anybody who practices this science can manifest these great powers, possibilities and superconscious breakthrough. Now will be initiated. After the initiation, you will be able to manifest powers. Let's invoke the grace of Mahasadashiva. Please sit straight. You don't even need to close your eyes. If you just sit straight and be available, that's enough. Without having the active inner space, just sit in a very passive way. Let your inner space be passive and receptive, relaxed. You will experience the initiation now. Shiva Mahasadashivoham 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 Kundalini, Kulakundalini, wake up in everyone. Let the whole Grace Point Hall experience the grace of Mahasadashiva. Let everyone experience Kundalini awakening and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. I bless you all. Let you all open all the three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva.